Here we have a boat floats along the narrow river at VB is given when it approaches a bridge at a distance of 810. So distance is 810 meter. The boat speed of the boat is 7.1 meter per second, and then the car has a speed which is 13.7 meter per second perpendicular to the river, crosses a bridge. How long after this moment the boat will closest to the car? Now we have to find after how long they will be closest to each other, boat and a car. First of all, we know that when time is equal to 0, we have a distance which is 810 meter. Then, however, after certain time, what happens is that boat starts moving to the left, and then that distance d will be shortened, right? So that means at any time t, what will be basically that distance will be shorter, correct? So let's say something like this one, where any any distance is equal 810 meter, which was original, after certain time, minus speed of the boat time, any time. Okay, now that time also affects the distance of the car that has traveled. So when time is equal to 0 here, and then after time is equal to the certain time, what happens is that it travels a certain distance. Okay, this distance. So this distance, let's just call it d. So it's equal to the speed of the boat, speed of the car times t. Okay, so as you can see here, we have two distances. Let's say from A to B, car moved it from A to B, and then the boat moved it from C to A. Okay, now this distance will be what? So we have to use Pythagorean theorem, where AB squared plus AC squared. Okay, since we have two distances, then we can say that D is equal, our AB is, that distance is equal to the speed of the car times time, correct? So that means speed of the car was 13.7 t squared plus, now what about our AC distance? AC distance was, after certain time, it was 810 minus speed of the boat, which is 7.1 times t squared. Then you have to take under the square root. Now after that, after that you have to open the bracket, and in order to find the time, closest time that boat will be closest to the car, what you have to do is basically you have to take the derivative of this distance with respect to the time. Okay, so and then make it equal plus 810 minus 7.1 t, and make it equal to the 0. Okay, in that case, if you do calculation, you should get that it should be, if you open the bracket, I already did calculation, so minus 1102t plus 238.1 t squared dt is equal to 0. From there, what you will get is minus 11,502 after the derivative with respect to time, plus 476.2 t equal to 0, and then t will be 476.2. So the time will be, closest time will be 24.15 seconds. So that's it.